today. 25th, 24th of September. I've not been consistent with vlogging. I'm very sorry. I went to Ilaro yesterday. Sorry. I went to Ikorodu yesterday. I went to work. I left my home as early as possible. Like, I've been busy with work, and yesterday was actually a very crazy day. My friend says I use crazy a lot. But yesterday was a tough one for me. Like, I got back home, I broke down. But alhamdulillah, I just finished calling a client for her birthday. I was booked to do that. So, yeah, I have a lot to do today, but I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Hello, guys. Good morning. Oh, the lighting is not good. Alhamdulillah. Oh my God. Kata is back and stressing me. Let me talk to you guys later. I'm trying to send a file and it's slow because I'm making a video. This is me. Good morning. Today is Friday. I already did live video on TikTok today, and I was really praying they bring light so that I would make this Akara. You guys, the story behind this Akara. But alhamdulillah, it turned out well. So, yeah. One has been my pop cold, but yeah, it tastes amazing. Then I have Akara here. Then I'm about to watch YouTube. I don't want to put it on my slab, but there is this place close to my house. I got the yam there yesterday and I went to buy it this morning. So I already bought eggs. I want to make yam and egg. Let's cook. Breakfast is ready. I don't know, the yam is kind of bitter. I had yam at my friend's place and it was so delicious. That's why I've been craving yam, but this one, I don't know, it's kind of bitter. Hi my lovelies, good evening. It's currently 5:10 p.m. So I want to step out. I've moved into this house for over a month. What am I even saying? It's 2 months today. Wow, alhamdulillah. 2 months in my apartment. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. I moved in July 25 and today is September 25. So I need to get a mopping stick and another broom, and I've been pushing getting a non-stick frying pan. So I'll try and get that. But if I can't get a good quality at an affordable price, I'm going to get the stainless pan. I just want to be using it to make pancakes, and I don't know, I'll just figure it out. So I got 1 or 2 things. I think I need some cute plates too. When I get there, you see there are a lot of varieties. Even the things I don't have upstairs, I'll remember when I get there. So come with me to cook some market. This is my outfit of the day. It's just a simple gown and this cute bag. Sorry. Non-stick pan, mo fẹ́ rà frying pan. Even, and I don't know what's going on. They don't have frying pans, and the ones they have here, they don't have handle. So now that doesn't have handle, I don't know how much. Hi guys, good evening. I just got back from the market. You guys, so I think I showed you guys the frying pans. The frying pans that they had, they didn't have the handle, like, and I didn't mind because they were non-stick and I'll be using it at home, so there was no need. They didn't even want to sell it. I was like, they should sell it for me. But the prices they were calling, I was like, this doesn't make sense. I checked online, like the difference wasn't much for something that the handle is broken. I just left it, but I bought some things and I want to show you guys. So let's have a haul. I got this cup from that store. Okay, now look at it. Can you tell that it's plastic? No, nobody's gonna know. Like, I just really like it because me and glasswares, we don't do well. I can't count the number of my mommy's serving plates that I broke. I can't count it. So I avoid it. I only have one glass cup, and that glass cup I stole it from my hand, and I've been extra careful with it because, and the only mug I have, I collected it from my boyfriend because I don't know. So I bought this for wine. I should have bought like two, but yeah. Well, that's true. I should have bought two. You know, in case you want to cheers. Well, I think it's really cute, and when I want to make aesthetics pictures, aesthetics videos, nobody's gonna know. Then, my main reason for going, I told you guys I don't have a mop, so I bought this for 1,500 naira. Yep. And I bought a broom, yes. Before they sold this broom for 500 naira, this tiny thing, before they sold it, the woman said 700 naira, 600, like they were just begging me to buy food for 600. But it didn't make sense for me to buy this small thing. I shall later bought this 500 naira. After so much persuasion, it's not even persuasion, I already left, I already took my mind off it. You know what, I'm not buying. But she called me back and she sold it. Then I bought this knife. I have two knives. I have a small one, a cute one, and I have one that I bought when I started living alone in Abeokuta. But yeah, I don't know, it's not as sharp, and I want something bigger. But now that I think about it, this is giving, because it's even written that non-stick coating professional knife. This is giving alapaka. If you're Yoruba, you know what that means. And I'm always very careful with knives because so we have another knife. And you guys, see, when you don't have money, that's when you should go get stuff. Like, you get it at ridiculously cheap prices. But I don't know, maybe it's just me, because I know that on a normal day they would have duped me. But I bought this thing for 1,200 naira. I have a lot of sunglasses, but I just wanted another shade because one thing about me, I love new stuff, and it can't be too much. I'm building my collection, even though it's not, you get it. But this is actually very nice for the price. Yeah, what else did I get? Okay, I got these plates. I'm running out of story, so we have to do this as fast as possible. I got these plates. They are cute because I have just one cute aesthetic. I had to switch this camera because that one is out of storage. So I got these plates. They are cute. And lastly, I got a scissors. My scissors it's not even a scissors again at this point, so I got a new one. So that's the thing. Good quality, little storage, because I should still have storage on our phone. I don't know why it's filled. Maybe it's full. Whatever. I'll speak to you guys tomorrow. And TMI, tomorrow is my anniversary with my partner. I don't even know if it's anniversary. Sure, it makes it, I don't want to say the months. Hi guys, good afternoon. I can't even see you guys because I'm wearing the sunglasses, but today is Jumuah. Today is Friday, 26th of September. I'm on my way to the mosque right now. Late as usual, but I'm earlier than the last time I went to. Alhamdulillah for that. So my outfit is so nice. I already filmed a Jumuah vlog, so go check it out on TikTok and Instagram. that Yoruba girl. It should be hot by the time you guys are seeing this video. So let's go worship Allah. Are you calling me? Are you doing video? Which one are you
Post
doing?
yourself video, that would be nice.